let's talk. Hello guys, good morning. So guys, this is my 15th day of English speaking challenge. So guys, I want to talk about I want to talk about last day. I mean yesterday. That what I did in the entire day, okay? So let's get started. Go to my let's go to my videos. Let's get into the point. Let's get into the let's get into the talk. Let's get into the videos. Let's get into the videos. So let's start my day. So let's start my conversation. Let us start our conversation. Let us start my conversation. Let's start our conversation. Okay. So guys, yesterday I was I woke up at 5 o'clock. At sharp 5. So yesterday I woke up at sharp 5. At sharp 5 p.m. 5 a.m. Yes, I woke up sharp at sharp 5 a.m. Thereafter, thereafter I was looking at the watch. That what's the time? What's the time in the watch? What's the time on the watch? What's the time in the watch? I was looking at the time, and I was also looking at the time of. I was also looking at the time in the on my phone also. I was also looking at the time on my phone also. I was also looking at the time on my phone, and I was matching the time, but the time was totally different. Actually, my watch cans my watch is slow. My watch was slow by 10 minutes from my phone. My watch was slow by 10 minutes from my phone. And because of that, I get every late. And because of that, I get late every day. I get late every day to my office, to my work. Yes. So thereafter, I slept. I kept sleeping. I can't. Thereafter, I kept sleeping. So I slept for 20 minutes more. I slept for 20 minutes more, and thereafter I I I touched my I touched the sensor of the phone. I touched the sensor of my phone, and thereafter I unlocked my phone, and I went to YouTube. And over there, after reaching on YouTube, I I went on search bar. Thereafter I searched Surael Bakra. Thereafter there were plenty of videos scam. There were plenty of videos scam. Thereafter thereafter I played I played I played the video what I generally used to play. What I generally used to play what I generally used to play each day. So I played the video thereafter, and thereafter I went to the kitchen. I made some warm water. I made some warm water. I made some warm water. I made I made some hot water. I made some warm water. Thereafter I drank it. For 4 glasses of water with turmeric powder. Thereafter thereafter after taking the water, and the time was round and the time was around 6:45. No, 6:45, not 5:45. 5:45. Thereafter I went to the terrace and thereafter I and thereafter I went to the terrace. And so that is my place that is my place that is my place where I used to sit generally every day, on a daily basis. So I sat there. And I I did some pray. No, I prayed and I was praying and I prayed. Thereafter I prayed for 30 minutes. Thereafter I prayed for 30 minutes, and thereafter I went down. I go down. I go down from the terrace. I go down from the terrace. I go down from the terrace and went to my room and went into my room and went into my room. Thereafter, I took my phone. I took my phone. I took my phone and I touched the sensor of the phone, and the screen got on, and the screen got on. Thereafter, I look at the time. I look at the battery, that the battery is there or not. The battery is there or not, means I have to check the means I had to check the battery percentage, and the battery was 45% or 25%. Yes, 25%. The battery was 25%. Yes. Thereafter, I took my phone into my pocket. And thereafter I went to my terrace again. Thereafter, I told myself that let's make a video. Let's make the videos. Let's make the videos, because I have to do this. And every day I do. So why not today also? So I have to be consistent. In making the videos. I have to be disciplined. I have to become a disciplined person. Yes. And come what may, I don't know, I have to do this. Then I have to do this. Then thereafter I took my phone. Out of my pocket. And thereafter and again I touched the sensor of the phone, and the screen got on. And the screen was on. Thereafter turned on, and the screen turned on. And thereafter I opened the camera. And thereafter the the photo the photo interface came. The camera got on. The camera came, and it was and the camera was on photo clicking. So I changed the setting. I changed the setting of the camera, and I brought the video camera. I brought the video camera. Yes, I brought the video camera. I took it. No, it was on photo clicking. So I it was on photo clicking. So I took it in video camera. Video camera, means I slide I slide I slide from I slide from I slide I slide in the horizontal direction. I slided in the horizontal direction. Then thereafter the video camera came, and thereafter I tap the camera. I tap the video camera. I tap the camera. I tap the I tap the screen. And thereafter and thereafter and thereafter my video starts shooting. And thereafter my video starts shooting. And thereafter video starts shooting. And thereafter my videos starts making and starts shooting. Thereafter my video starts shooting. Thereafter I was speaking on the camera. I was, first of all, I greet to all. I greeted to all my viewers who generally used to watch my videos. So I greeted to them by saying hi, hello, assalamu alaikum, good morning. So generally I used to say this because these are the more, actually whenever I make my videos, then the time generally it used to be morning. Then the time used to be generally morning. So I like greeting. In the then I like greeting. Yeah, whenever I make my videos, then I like greeting. Yes, and each and every book and each and every religion. Yes, I'm telling you guys, if you go in any religion, if you go in any religion, then you will see that, then first of all you will see that that person will greet you. That person, each and everyone greets you, each and everyone greets to each other in any religion. Yes, and after doing after doing the greetings, and after the greetings, you can start the conversation. You can ask about him, he will ask about you. He will ask, and he ask about you, and you ask about him. Yes, so these are the techniques. So these are the incidents. So these are the incident that these are the conversation, that how you would do this. Yes, how you would do this with anyone or with others. Yes. So guys, thereafter I made three videos of mine. Thereafter I thereafter I went down from my terrace. And I I took my phone. I took my phone charged, and thereafter I put my phone. I took my phone into the charger. I I plugged my charge. I plugged the charging into my phone. I plugged the charging, and thereafter I charged my phone. Thereafter I plugged the phone into the charger. I plugged my phone into the charger. I plugged I plugged my phone into the charger. Yes. And thereafter I brushed my teeth. Thereafter I took my brush and applied some I took my brush and some applied some quantity of paste over the brush. I used to use two types of toothpaste, and that is Sensodyne and Close Up. So these two paste I used to use generally in my daily life. So after applying the paste over the brush area, thereafter I I made it wet. No, I know. I get it drenched. I got it drenched. I got it drenched by the water, and thereafter I start I started brushing my teeth. I started brushing my teeth with my right hand. Thereafter after brushing my teeth, I went to I went down from the terrace again, and I did some face wash. I did some face wash, and thereafter I went to the toilet, and thereafter I went to the washroom for getting fresh. So I went to the terrace. No, I went to the toilet and freshed up also, and I got fresh, and I got fresh. Thereafter I and thereafter after getting fresh from the toilet, I came out of the toilet. I came out of the washroom. I came out of the washroom, and thereafter I told my mother that let I think I should feed the motor. I should feed the motor, and thereafter, because we have to fill so much water. We have to fill so much water. We have to fill the drinking water also. So we have to fill the drinking water also. So why not? I should feed the motor right now. So I fitted the motor. So I fitted the motor with Nagarjun pipe, and thereafter, and I did everything. Where I put no, I have hung up no. Thereafter, and I fitted the motor with the pipe by a T, by a T, by a T. Yes, it was a kind of rubber. So that is generally used in the wheels of cycles, in the wheels of cycles, in the wheels of cycles. Yes. So that tube I used, that tube I used in the motor, in the motor. Yes. So I tightened the motor, I tightened the motor, I tightened the motor by the T, by the tube, and thereafter by the T, by the tube, and thereafter I by the rubber, and thereafter I took the wire. I took the wire of the motor. I took the wire of the motor. I took the wire of the motor and I hang it, and I hanged it from a wire. I hanged it from a wire, and thereafter this is the first one. This is the first hanged. So this is the first one that I hang from a wire, and thereafter I hang the wire again from a wire, and thereafter the plug was hanging, and the plug was hanging from the wire, and thereafter I took, and thereafter I went to my room, I went into my room, and I took the board, I took the board, and I took out the board from my room, I took out the board from my room, and thereafter I also hanged it, I also hanged it and I also hanged it by the door, from a door, from a door, and a wire, and I put it into a keel. No, क्या बोलते इसको, I and I put it into a, and I put it, no, and I hanged it from a kati, and I hanged it from a kati. Yes. And thereafter, and thereafter I went to my, and thereafter I went to my, and thereafter I went to my I went to my motor, I went to my motor again, I went to my motor again, and I went to my motor again, I went to my motor again, and I took the pipe, I took the pipe of the motor, I took the pipe of the motor, I took the pipe of the motor, and I I light, no, I laid the pipe, I laid the pipe on the ground, I laid the pipe of the ground, and I light them, and light, and I laid the pipe on the ground, and one of the end from the, one of the end of the pipe, I filled some water. Every day I filled the water. I every day I filled the water. I every day I filled the pipe with water. I every day I filled. Every day I filled the pipe with water. Yes. And thereafter I feed, and thereafter I feed from the motor. And thereafter I feed from the motor. And thereafter I used to, and thereafter I used to bind it. And thereafter I used to bind it by a rope. But the rope is, but the rope was consist, but the rope consists of, but the rope is, no, but the rope is made of kapla. Yes. But the rope is made of clothes. Yes. Means it was a kind of, it was a kind of, it was a kind of rope, you can say, it was a kind of rope, you can say, but it is made of clothes. Yes. So I took the I took the pipe, I took the pipe, so I took the pipe, I took the pipe, I took the pipe and fit into the motor, into the motor, means where the water comes, means where, means where the water comes, one section of the pipe, one section of the motor is, it's sucking the water, is sucking the water, and the another end is, and by the another end, on by the another end of the motor, water gives, water gives, water up, water gives, means water comes. Yes. So in that, so in that, so in that section I feed the motor, no, in that section I feed the pipe, and I tighten the pipe by the, by a rope, and thereafter, and thereafter, and thereafter, and thereafter I left it, I left it, I left the pipe on my, on my, on my washroom, I left the pipe on my washroom. So thereafter I I plugged the, I plugged the, I plugged the wire, I plugged, I plugged my motor, I plugged my motor, I plugged my motor from the board, I plugged my motor, into the board what I was hanging. What I was hanging. What I was hanging by a kid. So over there I plugged the motor. I plugged the motor and the motor starts and the motor started and the motor started running. Thereafter the water doesn't did not come. Thereafter the water did not come. And it was a pity thing for us. It was a pity thing for us because there was even a single glass, there was even a single drop of water for drinking for at our home. Yes, there was, and it was a pity thing for us because there was there was even a single drop of water for drinking. Yes, in our house. So we regretted, and I also regretted that I filled the motor, but although but however we did not get the water. So so thereafter so thereafter the time so that thereafter the time came the time came around, no, the time came around. Thereafter the time was around 9 o'clock. Yes, until 9 o'clock the water did not come. The water did not come. Yes, and my mother was telling me that, okay, switch off the motor and leave it. We will on tomorrow onwards, maybe the water come, maybe the water would come, maybe on tomorrow onwards water would come. So so I left the motor and I switched off the motor. So, and I think at around 9:30 or 9:15 that water started running. That water started running. I'm talking about that boring water. Yes, that boring water. So that water comes from that that tanki. Yes, that tanki. Yes, that tank. Yes, that water comes from that tank. Yes. So that tank is made of cement and concrete. Yes, so cement and concrete, and yes, and so thereafter that water came and that boring water started running, and my mother my mother cleaned cleaned his urine use and my mother cleaned his his dishes. Yes, my mother cleaned her dishes. She every day used to clean her dishes, and in by the by the pouring water. Yes, she likes cleaning every day. So even yesterday she did the same. Even yesterday she did. And thereafter and thereafter I was asking to my mother that should I go to the saloon or not, because I have to get my haircut. So let me go, and I have to go to somewhere else, and I have to go somewhere else too. So let me get my haircut. So my mother told me that, okay, go. Then then I prepared. Then I put on my jeans, and I was wearing my t-shirt already. I so thereafter I left away. I went away from my house. I went away from my house. I went out of my house. Thereafter. I went to the saloon by walking. There over there I waited. I waited for, I think, 1 hour. Yes, I waited. I waited for 1 hour. I waited. I waited there. I waited over there for one hour, I think, and thereafter, I got my haircut. My turn comes, and my I got my haircut. So guys, this is all about today. See you at the same time, at the same place tomorrow onwards. So until you, take care. Bye.